Todoist is an advanced to-do app. How to use it? The video is the Todoist tutorial. So let's get into it. Alright, let's understand the interface first. To the left, we have the navigation and projects. In the center, we have the tasks with a few options on the top. The Today section is your home section where you see the tasks due today. You can click the view option and filter tasks. On the top, we have the quick add and productivity options. Productivity increases as you complete a task. You can also adjust your daily goal and stuff in the productivity section. When you add a personal task, it's added to your inbox. In this area, you'll see your past and upcoming tasks. You also have the comments option to comment and the view option to change the view from list to board. The board view works well with sections. You can add a section from this menu or by clicking on the bottom here. When you add a task, it shows the title, description, schedule date, project, labels, priority and reminder options. The priority option has 4 priorities and selecting each gives the task a specific color. The priority 1 tasks are red while the 2 are yellow. The labels help organize tasks while the reminder option reminds you of the task, but it's available in the premium plan. In the task menu of an existing task, you see subtasks, comments and activities. You can attach files in the comments section. To the right of a task, we have more options such as deleting a task, moving it to a project and duplicating it. Now let's talk about the quick add feature. The quick add feature uses natural language to schedule tasks automatically. For example, if you type TMR after the title, the app automatically schedules the task for tomorrow. This works for many things. You can type P1 or P2 to set the priority as well. Another feature of Todoist is postponing tasks. In the Today section, if you grab a task, a new option appears to move the task to tomorrow. Now let's move to projects. You can add projects in the project section. When you add one, you add the name, color and view. We talked about sections and now is the best time to explain this option. The sections help you manage your workflow. For some projects, sections can be different task types, while for some, those can be the progress of a particular task. In this example, we have a few sections. Those are for my website articles. I can move this task to a different section. Sections have another benefit. Suppose you click on view and change the view to board. You'll see a Kanban style board view. This makes workflow easy. You can invite people to collaborate on a project for free. If multiple users are added to a project, you'll see the total count here. You can assign tasks to a specific user as well. Before we end this video, we have filters and labels to explore. Filters help us manage tasks. You can create new filters here and the tool will filter tasks. You can't attach filters to tasks, but this query field automatically shows the tasks with a specific filter. You can create new labels and attach labels to tasks. When you click on the label here, the tasks from all projects are displayed. Anyway, this was the Todoist tutorial. I hope it helped. Please let me know what you think in the comments and thumbs up if the video helped. Until then, stay active.